Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Segment as a CDP. So let's get started. Segment is a leading customer data platform, or CDP, that helps businesses collect, clean, and activate customer data from multiple sources. It unifies data from websites, mobile apps, email campaigns, social media, and more, giving teams accurate and consistent information. Whether you're in e-commerce, SaaS, fintech, or other industries, Segment makes data management easier and helps improve personalization, insights, and decision-making. The best part is unified data collection. Segment tracks customer interactions across all channels in real time. This is great because it eliminates fragmented data and gives teams a single source of truth. Identity resolution and a single customer view is another advantage. Segment merges customer activity from multiple devices and platforms into one profile. This is great because it ensures consistent and personalized experiences for every user. Another benefit is no-code data routing and seamless integrations. Segment supports over 400 pre-built integrations, sending data to CRMs, marketing tools, analytics platforms, and support software. This is great because non-technical teams can activate data instantly without engineering effort. Data governance and privacy compliance is another key advantage. Segment provides consent management, privacy controls, and validation tools, helping businesses comply with GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. This is great because it reduces compliance risks and builds trust with customers. Event tracking and schema management is another strong feature. Segment enforces consistent tracking standards, preventing messy or duplicate data. This is great because it improves reporting accuracy. Real-time data activation and customer engagement is another big plus. Segment can trigger personalized campaigns in app messages, push notifications, and workflows based on live customer behavior. The best part is, it drives higher engagement and conversions by reaching customers at the right moment. One limitation is that smaller businesses may need some time to set up integrations correctly. Advanced features may also require higher tier plans, and very complex custom workflows might need additional technical support. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.